Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. You are watching the second part of the prices for 2020-26 for the new town strip. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. So I've already done this side. I'm now starting at the bottom ends where the roundabout is, and we're going to head all the way down and just have a look to see what the price point is for this year. So this one's always really busy in the evening. It's got a sort of country vibe to it. No prices outside, but I can tell you it's about €3 to €3.50. Cocktails between 7 and 10, so not bad at all. Got a US 66. You all right, guys? You having a good time? Yeah? Good. Good, thank you. So this one we have gone to quite a few times. Again, prices are really good. So do cocktails for €5, pint for €4, and you get a shot for €3. And again, it's got all your sports screens and everything in there, and you've got your outside little sun traps. So yeah, I would recommend that. It gets really busy again in the evening. Right, so Matt's Bar. We did go here the other day as well. Again, this is open more in the evening. It's more of a club vibe. Show you guys. There we go. So yeah, lots of outside space. And has quite a lot of events and stuff here. But just to give you guys a low down on the drinks. Getting itself ready for opening. Right, and then we've got Renault's Club and Cocktail Bar. Again, a lot of this will be open later. So the new town strip, you can have some that are open all day and some that don't open until it's sort of, party time. So this place will be open later. So you'll have to tune into the night video, the Nightlife After Dark, Wagwan, to check out that. Because again, the prices at the moment are happy hour, and here they're till 10 o'clock. If you're going down to Old Town, it's usually till about 7. So just to give you guys a little bit of an idea. And the prices are usually a little bit cheaper, but do check out both if you are interested. Again, there will be day videos. Hello, you're right. Day videos, and there will be nighttime videos, so you can get a full idea, because some people just love to day drink and be in bed by 10. Other people want to be out till 2 in the morning, 4, whatever. So yeah, there really is something for everyone. So this is Mambo, Summer Vibes. Definitely getting that on this holiday. So yeah, we'll that'll be included on the night video. Get my words out. And then along here, you just got like your shops and your little bars and everything. A few little takeaways, pizza places, and then you got your tattoo. So yeah, it's sort of hit and miss during the day here, because it is more known for the younger crowd. Got little arcade stuff there. So if you've had a messy night and you've been drinking and you've been on it since 6 in the morning or whatever time, this time of day is not going to be busy. They're all going to be asleep, and then they'll be out ready for the next night. But don't let that deter you. Like I said, some of these bars are really nice, and the prices are slightly cheaper. Is it the cheapest? Let you guys decide. Hello. Right, so we've got the LYD getting itself ready. Hear the music, but no signs out. We'll have to check that one out later. Right, so we just come to like the middle point, just to give everyone the bearings. So the strip is kind of in half, I guess. So we've just completed that end. You guys a good viewpoint. There's the Super Club. If you watched the one previous to this, so part 1, you would have seen that. And now we're just going up here. So we've got the sports bar. You all right? Can you give us the prices? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Getting on very well. Having a lovely holiday. I know, it's perfect. And what's your cheapest beer then? What's the deals for this space?
€3 a pint.
Yeah.
3 shots, same with tequila.
Yeah, perfect.
And obviously, if you've got big groups, we'll obviously do a bit of discount for it.
Nice. And you're expecting that now the season's fully
Of course,
opened?
mate, of course,
Yeah.
the season's, loads of people come.
Yeah.
Come and see again. Obviously, we're here to make people happy.
Yeah.
And enjoy their holidays. So
Yeah.
come back again.
I think they
Enjoy
will
yourself.
do.
Take
We're
care.
going to have a busy year. See you later. Have a good day. So there you go. If you're coming with a big group, and again, lots of people do come with a big group and they're coming here. They do obviously accommodate and do lots of deals and stuff. So if you are coming with a hen or a stag or on a party, now this place is the cheapest. We have featured it a million times. Always busy as well, and good food for the prices and everything that it is. You know what you're going to get. If you're expecting Michelin star Gordon Ramsay, don't go there. Let's keep it real. So we got this one. This is a new one, Zoo Club, or it was here when I was back here in October. I have had some very messy nights. It is the new strip. I am giving you drink prices, which means a lot of the time here I am drunk. So yeah. What's the drink offers? I'm just doing like a little price video.
Okay.
How much is it for a beer?
Beer, large?
Yeah.
350.
350.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. So there you go. So again, good prices. They're all around the same sort of price. So it's just finding which one you like the atmosphere of, you like the staff, you like the place, everything in behind. Team, hello. So you got the Dublin. What's your drink offers? What's your cheapest beer?
Cheapest beer, 380.
And what's the price of the Guinness?
For a Guinness, 690.
690. It's not bad. It's not
so bad,
extortionate.
yeah, with this weather.
Yeah, exactly. Worst places to have it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yeah, it's not bad for a Guinness. Like I said, we went to the Three Harps in Old Town.
Car Brew 66, best bar
Yes.
in the town, best cocktail.
Best cocktails.
Yeah, the Car Brew 66. Guys, join us.
What's your drink prices? What's your cheapest lager?
Lager, it's gonna be like €3 in the daytime.
Yeah.
€5 in the night time.
Okay.
And then short serve all day.
All day. That's not bad. Thank you very much.
Good day, no problem.
Cheers. Bye. I don't know what I was saying before, but there you go. You got the prices for that. I've never actually been to this one up there. Let me know in the comments if you have. Is it even open? We'll see later. We'll definitely see later. So we're just working our way back up to I believe it's the top end. Again, I've probably got that wrong. But we're walking the opposite way to where the roundabout is. So where you'd probably get the taxi, it's got like the taxi rank up here. Got the limpet. Hello, you alright? Enjoying your beer? Soup. No, Jamaica. Right, we'll keep going. So we've got this one here, Sagas, Heineken, Coors, Strongbro, and then glass of wine, £3 or €3, sorry. It's not bad, nice little bar. Oh, is that meant to be a Ronaldo? No, I don't think so. Right, so we've got a few little shops, and then I think we've just got one or two drinking places up the top, so we'll just go check those out. And then we've completed. All right. Obrigado. So yes, and then we can complete the day walk part 2 of all the sort of prices. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. All the prices, so you guys can be fully prepared when you come here and enjoy the sunshine and pick your place to park your ass and have a good pint, which is definitely needed. I mean, it's always good having one at your local, but it's like it's different when you're at the beach or on holiday. So a little sports bar in there, a supermarket, a few little eating, drinking places here. And then we're just coming to the sort of end bit of the. So €6.50 for a cocktail. Again, not bad. €5 for a Guinness. Obviously, we went to the Dublin and that was €6.50, I believe. Rewind it if not. So yeah, really good prices. So if you do want a cheaper Guinness, there you go. Coffee Zen. And look at that little sun trap. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, we've got one more just at the end here. Actually two, because I think there's a new one by YOLO. So yeah, let's just go and quickly check that out. So yeah, so you got the cross. Always does karaoke in here, always really lively. Again, it's got that sort of pub atmosphere. If that's your vibe, then this is definitely a little stop for you. Does all the fun cocktails. Let's have a little cocktail of the day, €6. Oh, there we go, large beer, 2.5, 2.50. Oh. So yeah, always really busy in there. Do comment below if you have been to this place. Then you got your smash burger, all cocktails. So this is a slightly earlier happy hour. Like I said, the new town does have a happy hour, usually up until 10. That's still not bad, 3 till 7. You've got your food, cocktails for €6. And then the new one on the block, YOLO Treehouse. So if anyone has been to Old Town, we often go to YOLO Lounge. We really, really enjoy YOLO Lounge. Sorry, no shortcuts are on like the main road opposite. It's a really good place, but they now have a new one here. So you've got the best of the new and the old town. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already subscribed, please do. It really does make the content, it pushes it and lets us know what you enjoy. Don't forget to watch part 1, and also we've got the Old Town version, and I will be doing the After Dark as well. See you guys on the next one.